Hey guys, this is John Brodian with Berkshire Hathaway, and in this video I'll be telling you about the most common small issues that inspectors find that can easily be avoided. So home inspection is a really overwhelming time for buyers, and a long inspection list can make the home seem like a lemon, even if the issues are really minor and cheap to fix. So to avoid this, it's good for sellers to fix the issues prior to inspection. Make sure the inspector can first off access and inspect all areas of the house so they don't have to come back a second time. In vacant homes, sometimes you might have the water shut off. Be sure to turn that back on, make sure all the breakers are turned on, and make sure that there isn't any like debris or anything blocking the inspector from accessing the attic hatch or the electrical panel. So outside, check and make sure that all of your downspouts are attached and that they're free of clogs and debris. If there's a low area along the foundation where water flows back towards the house, fill it with black dirt so the water flows away from the foundation, and you can even put a little grass seed over it too. Make sure the auto reverse and the electric eye sensors are working properly on your garage door opener. Now inside the house, make sure that all outlets in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms within 6 feet of a water source are protected by a GFI. Make sure all bathroom fans vent to the exterior and not up into the attic. Make sure your attic hatch is insulated and weather stripped. If it's not, you can buy a kit and easily do it yourself from a home improvement store. Make sure that there are smoke detectors in bedrooms and combination smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in living areas. Install junction boxes anywhere that there are exposed live wires. These are some of the most common small issues that an inspector is going to catch. So if you take care of these prior to the home inspection, you greatly reduce the chances of the buyer backing out or getting cold feet on your property. If you'd like my entire inspection preparation checklist, just send me a private message. Also, if you're moving within Grand Forks and you want to be a client of mine, reach out to me. Again, this is John Brodian with Berkshire Hathaway. Thanks for watching.